Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enter number starting with 0 in Excel. To start, open Excel. After that, select the range of cells to use. After this, click on the General menu and you will click on More Number Formats. Here in the Number tab, click on Custom. After that, in Type, delete the content and write 0 twice. Click OK. As you see, now there is the number 0 in front of the value. You can type directly into selected cells to apply this formatting. Another alternative to use is to enter the value with 0 and press Enter. You can see that the 0 is not recorded. To make it visible, select the cell. Click on General, and this time you are going to click on Text. Enter the value 0 again and another number so you can see that it is visible. As you can see, an error message appears. Click on it and click Ignore Error. Finally, another option to use is to combine the Alt plus 39 keys. This will create an apostrophe, then enter the desired number. Just like before, you see an error message. Click on it and click on Ignore Error. You can drag this cell to copy this format and then clear the error that is generated. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.